Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Rabi Ayuala and I am a student of Rehan School All Academy Level 1 Batch 4. I live in Lahore. So today is a task to do an AI session with ChatGPT and its topic is 16 Robotics and AI session in English and its number is 16 AI session. So let's begin with the ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, how are you?
Hi there. I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? What's on your mind today?
I have many questions on robotics and an AI session in English.
For sure, shoot. Hit me with your first question.
Okay, okay. My first question is, what is robotics?
Let me check. Robotics is the field of designing, building, and operating robots. Think machines that can do tasks, sometimes with AI to help them make decisions.
Okay, nice. My next question is, what is artificial intelligence (AI)?
Hang on. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is tech that lets machines learn, think, and help solve problems.
Okay, great. My next question is, how are robotics and AI connected?
AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's computer tech that lets machines do tasks that usually need human intelligence.
Okay, great. My next question is, what is an AI-powered robot?
Let me see. AI powered robots are robots that use artificial intelligence to perceive, decide, and act more independently.
What are the parts of a robot?
Checking. Main parts are the body or frame, sensors, controller, the brain, actuators or motors, a power supply, sometimes an end effector or tool, and software to control it all.
How do robots sense their environment?
Checking. Robots use sensors to detect things like light, sound, distance, temperature, obstacles, and then send that info to the controller to decide what to do next.
Okay, nice. My next question is, how do robots make decisions?
Checking. Robots make decisions through their controller, the computer brain, often using AI to process information from the sensors and choose an action.
My next question is, what role does machine learning play in robotics? Detail answer.
One sec. Machine learning helps robots learn from data and experience so they can adapt and then improve without being explicitly programmed for every single situation.
Okay, my next question is, what are sensors and why are they for robot? Give me the detailed answer.
Checking. Sensors are like a robot's senses. They collect information about the robot's environment, like cameras for vision, distance sensors to avoid obstacles, touch sensors, microphones for sound, temperature sensors, and more. They're important because they let robots understand their surroundings, avoid bumping into things, recognize people and objects, and make accurate decisions. Basically, eyes, ears, and touch that help the robot do its job safely and accurately.
Okay, my next question is what is computer vision in robotics?
Checking. Computer vision in robotics lets robots see and interpret images and video from cameras, like recognizing objects, faces, and movements. It helps robots navigate, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks more accurately. Pretty neat, right?
Okay, nice. My next question is how do robots understand human command?
Checking. They use sensors, speech recognition, natural language processing, and AI to hear, understand, and respond to what you say. Microphones capture your voice, the system turns speech into text, interprets the meaning, and the controller directs the action. For example, you say, "Robot, bring me a bottle of water." It recognizes your voice, understands the request, then uses its sensors and AI to carry out.
Nice. How can AI robot learn from experiences?
Checking. I think you mean how can AI replicate human experiences?
How can AI help robots learn from experiences?
Check-in. AI uses machine learning to analyze data from a robot's sensors so the robot can try actions, see the results, and improve over time. It's like practice makes better decisions.
My next question is what are autonomous vehicles?
Autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars use AI, sensors, cameras, and computers to drive with little or no human input. They detect other cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, and obstacles to plan a safe route. Basically, smart vehicles using advanced AI to drive safely.
Okay, my next question is what is the difference between my next question is what is the difference between a normal robot and AI robot?
Checking. The main difference is that a normal robot follows fixed instructions, but an AI robot can learn, adapt, and make decisions based on what it senses and experiences. So it can handle new situations better and improve over time.
My next question is where are robots used in our daily life?
Check in. Robots are used in homes, hospitals, factories, farms, schools, warehouses, restaurants, and even space to help people work more efficiently and safely. Robots assist doctors, warehouse robots move packages, farming robots help plant and harvest, and space robots explore other planets. In short, they make life faster, safer, and more efficient. Yeah.
Okay,
Ready
now
for the next one?
my next question is how are robots used in factories?
Checking. In factories, robots handle assembly, welding, painting, packaging, sorting, and quality inspections, often working alongside humans. They speed up production, improve accuracy, and reduce human error, making manufacturing faster, safer, and more efficient.
How can robots help doctors and hospitals?
Checking. Robots help in hospitals by assisting surgery, delivering medicine, cleaning, lab work, and patient care. They don't replace doctors, but can make tasks more precise and efficient. Think surgical robots, medicine delivery robots, disinfection robots, and rehab support robots. Yeah, they make healthcare more accurate and efficient.
Okay, my next question is how are robots used in space?
Checking. SpaceX, or Space Exploration Technologies Corp, is a private aerospace company founded by Elon Musk in 2002 to develop space technology and enable humans to live on Mars. Its projects include the 9 rocket, the Dragon, or carrying astronauts to the International Space Station, Starship, and Starlink satellites for internet access. It's known for reusable rockets, cutting launch costs, and pushing innovation in space travel and satellite internet, basically making space more accessible.
Okay, my next question is how can robots help farmers?
Checking. Robots help farmers plant seeds, harvest crops, monitor crop health, remove weeds, spray crops, and manage irrigation. They make farming more efficient and accurate.
Okay, my next question is how can robots be used in education?
Checking. Robots are used in education to make learning more interactive and hands on, like teaching coding, STEM subjects, and encouraging creativity. They're tools to assist teachers, not replace them. They help students learn problem solving, teamwork, and tech skills, making lessons more engaging.
My next question is how can robots help during natural disaster?
Checking. Robots can go into dangerous areas after earthquakes, floods, or chemical accidents to search for survivors and inspect unsafe structures. They help rescue teams save lives without risking more people. They can also deliver supplies and support firefighting or flood monitoring. Basically, they make disaster response safer, faster, and more effective.
Okay, my next question is how can robots perform dangerous tasks?
Checking. Robots use sensors, AI, and strong motors to handle dangerous tasks like firefighting, bomb disposal, or disaster response. Sometimes they go into areas too hot, too unstable, or too toxic for people, reducing the risk to human life. Think of firefighting or bomb disposal robots. They're usually controlled remotely or operate autonomously with advanced AI. It's all about keeping us safe.
Okay, my next question is what are humanoid robots?
Checking. Humanoid robots are robots built to look and move like people, often with AI to see, hear, and interact. They're used in education, healthcare, customer service, research, and maybe one day home assistance. They combine human like design with sensors, cameras, and AI to work alongside humans.
Okay, nice. My next question is how do humanoid robots use AI?
Checking. Humanoid robots use AI to think, learn, understand speech, recognize faces, make decisions, and interact naturally with people. So they can walk, balance, avoid obstacles, and assist in places like hospitals, schools, or airports. Basically, AI is the brain of a humanoid robot.
Okay, my next question is how can robot recognize objects and pupils?
King. Robots use cameras, sensors, computer vision, and AI to identify objects and people by analyzing images and comparing patterns with stored data. Say, capturing images, detecting objects, recognizing people, and measuring distance. Then the robot's AI decides what to do next.
Okay, nice. My next question is how can robots communicate with humans?
Checking. Robots communicate using AI, speech recognition, cameras, microphones, and sometimes touch or screen displays. They can recognize voices, respond with speech, and even recognize faces. So, for example, a service robot might greet you, answer questions, or guide you somewhere. The goal is natural, helpful interaction.
Okay, nice. My next question is how can robots communicate with humans?
Checking. Sounds like you're asking how can robots communicate with each other? Yeah, they share info through wireless networks. So, Wi Fi, Bluetooth, radio signals, or cloud systems. They can coordinate tasks by sharing location, sensor data, progress, so they don't crash and can work together efficiently. For example, in a warehouse, one robot picks up a package, another transports it, and another shelves it. It's teamwork for robots made possible by wireless communication and AI.
Okay, my next question is how can AI make robot more intelligent?
Checking. I think you mean what makes a robot intelligent?
How can
AI
AI
gives
make robot more
robots the
intelligent?
ability to yeah. So with AI, robots can learn, adapt, make decisions, not just follow fixed instructions. So things like machine learning, sensors, computer vision, natural language processing, and a controller all help make a robot intelligent. It can recognize people, understand voice commands, navigate new environments, and improve over time like a Roomba vacuum that maps you.
My next question is what are the benefits of AI powered robots?
AI powered robots can handle repetitive or dangerous jobs, work 24/7 if needed, and improve precision and productivity. That can boost safety, reduce errors, and free up humans for more creative or complex tasks.
Okay, my next question is what are the limitations of robots?
Checking. Robots can be expensive to build and maintain. They need power updates and skilled people to program and repair them. Plus, they can struggle with unexpected situations that humans handle easily.
Okay, my next question is what challenges do engineers face when building intelligent robots?
1 second, checking. Engineers face challenges like giving robots reliable perception through sensors and computer vision, making AI decisions accurate and safe, improving movement and balance, managing battery life efficiently, ensuring safety around people, and keeping costs reasonable while maintaining reliability. It's a tricky balancing act.
Okay, my next question is how can robots work together with humans?
Looking it up, I think you mean how can robots work together with humans? They can collaborate in factories, hospitals, and warehouses. Robots handle heavy, repetitive tasks, while humans handle creativity and decision making. Part of these systems, it's a partnership where each side plays to its strengths.
Okay, my next question is how can AI improve the safety of robots?
Checking. AI can monitor a robot's surroundings in real time, detect humans or obstacles, and adjust movements to avoid accidents. So, things like predictive algorithms, emergency stop systems, and continuous learning all help make robots safer.
Okay, nice. My next question is what role will AI play in the future of robotics?
Checking. AI will make robots more autonomous, better at learning new tasks, and able to work safely alongside people in more places like healthcare, homes, schools, and space exploration. They could become more helpful partners, not just tools. Smarter collaboration, better problem solving, and hopefully more trust between humans and machines.
Okay, my next question is how can we make the future robots safer, smarter, and more helpful?
Good question. By designing with safety first, testing thoroughly, using diverse training data, keeping humans in the loop for important decisions, regularly updating software, and setting clear ethical guidelines. That way, robots stay reliable, safe, and genuinely useful to people.
Okay, my next question is how might robots change our daily lives in the next 10-20 years?
Hmm, probably a lot. Smarter robots could help at home with chores, support doctors in hospitals, personalize learning in schools, make transport smarter, and assist in disasters. The key will be making sure they're used responsibly with human oversight so they actually make life easier, safer, and more efficient, not more complicated.
Okay, nice. My next question is could robots become more independent in the future?
Checking. Yes, very likely. With better AI, robots will handle more tasks on their own, like navigation or routine problem solving, but Full independence is limited by safety rules and ethics, so we'll still keep a human in charge for important decisions.
Okay, nice. My last question is how can AI and human work together with robots to build a smarter, safer, more creative, and better future?
Checking. Great final question. AI, humans, and robots can combine strengths. AI for intelligence, robots for physical work, and humans for creativity and judgment. Working together like that can make our world safer, smarter, and more creative for everyone.
Thanks, ChatGPT, for your great answer.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
So everyone, this is our AI session with our ChatGPT number 16 AI session, robotics and AI session in English. So this is our AI session. I will come back into a new task, into another task, into another AI session. That is the review, 14 tasks into another task. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Goodbye. Take care.